Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing. Today I have a little bit of a mystery box because I think it's a head, but I don't know for sure which one it is. It says it came from Texas, so that's kind of interesting. I thought I had already received all the heads that I'd gotten secondhand. And the address also says it's coming from Shipping Center. And it says something about an ornament. So it might not be a head. It might be something else that I completely forgot about. But we're about to find out. Chase, no. My dog is trying to get in here. He is squeezing in behind me. Please move back, Chase, honey. You gotta move, honey. Move back. Back. You know what? I am not sure what this is. Take the box, Chase. You take the box. Maybe that'll keep him occupied while we open this. I wonder if it could be something that I ordered from a diamond painting company. Because I also do diamond paintings. Let's see. I don't know. Guys, I haven't had a mystery box in a while. So this will be interesting. And of course, if it is a head, I've probably already put the sculpt name in the title, so you'll already know what this is. Oh, no, what is this? Sweet moment. I am baffled, guys. This says, sweet moment, share our joy and happy hours. Wow. Okay, guys. And there's like a wax seal. This is a really cool container, too. So the mystery continues. It could be a head. It could be. There are some heads I've been waiting on. Wow, and it is really wrapped nice. Okay, this should tell us what it is. Do I want to break the seal? It really looks like this could be a COA, doesn't it? Oh, I don't want to break the seal. Okay, guys. Oh, we're gonna do it. We're gonna gently try to open it without breaking the seal. But oh, can we do it? Oh, guys. You know what? I don't want to break the seal, but this is the only way we're going to find out who this is, if it is a head. Well, we're going to just have to break it. We're just going to have to break the seal, guys. Oh, wow. Okay. I think, whoops, well, look at that. Oh, it was so pretty before I did that. But sorry I'm taking so long, guys. Sorry about that. You can fast forward through this part if you want, but I just want to open it. There. At least we didn't break the little seal. Let's see, who is this? What is this? Oh, okay. Oh, I know who it is. I know who it is. Okay, this is a head, guys, because I never could remember like how to pronounce the name, or oh, it goes this way. But he is Puppy. It's Puppy. And guys, this is a very, very unique sculpt, and it says xxdxs, and that is their username also on Instagram. This must be number 71. And guys, this card is so cool. It's really stiff, like a stiff plastic, almost thicker than a credit card. But I am so impressed by this, guys. I am so impressed by the seal and everything. It is so cool. And the packaging, wow. Even the packaging. So this is one that I actually pre-ordered. I am going to put all of this aside. Look at this. I mean, this is like nice plastic. This box, it comes in and everything. Alright, guys. So this is an MSD boy. And oh, he has such a cute face. Oh my gosh. Guys. Okay. Alright, guys. Oh my goodness. Wait until you see his face. I can't wait to give him a face off. He is going to be so adorable. I wonder why it came from Texas. I wonder if they used a caster in Texas. Look at this, guys. Look at his face. And he's got little fangs. So, is it focusing? Alright, so he's got pointy ears like a little elf. Look at that profile. He is adorable. And like I said, he's got little fangs. Let's take a look at his inside. Oh, what is this? Oh, did he come with... That's right. So he comes with... Hang on, let me think. Does that go inside? So the mouth is not a hole. So this says, I think that's a 01, xxdxs. I wonder if that means this is their first sculpt. You know, I need to find out more about their company. But, let's see. I believe this is a little mouthpiece. How does this work? Let's see, because I was thinking he had a little tongue, maybe? A little tongue that sticks out. So, I'm not sure how this works. Let's see. goes in. Trying to see if there's a little notch or anything that it's supposed to hook to on the inside, because it must go in like this. Oh, is it like that? Oh, maybe you just have to use some sticky, like sticky tack to keep it in? Huh, I'm not sure. I am not sure, guys. I think it goes like this. Isn't he cute? Maybe it is, you just have to use a little sticky tack to hold it in there. But guys, look at him. Oh, wow. Just adorable. So the mystery has been solved, and this is, the sculpt name is called Puppy. And like I said, he is xxdxs is the name of the company, I believe. I will put a link to them down in the description too, so you guys can check them out. And I am just so excited to have him. Alright guys, I am going to go ahead and sign out here, but thanks for joining, and sorry it took me so long to get into that into the COA, but look how cute that is. I mean, everything is just, quality is amazing. So yeah, the box and everything. The box, the packaging, the sculpt. I love unique sculpts like this. So I just need to figure out how to hold his tongue inside his mouth. But I believe I'll probably have to use sticky tack. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and sign out. And thanks for watching. I will see you guys again in the next video. Bye.